This is our activity analysis for scheduling a book or a calendar.
Does your low vision make it difficult to read and write in your calendar? Are you tired of being late because you wrote your event in the wrong place or read it incorrectly? Then the Echo Dot is for you. The Echo Dot allows you to schedule events just by speaking and then alerts you later with appropriate timing. The Echo Dot is a one-time fee of $49.99 and you'll never have to purchase another planner again. You'll never worry about missing another event. Can't find the Echo Dot? Try one of these competitors instead.
Are you a visual learner? Do you like being guided by pictures rather than words? So visual schedules are usually synonymous with diagnoses such as autism and Down syndrome. However, we can use visual supports in our everyday life, such as stickers, that can help us cut down on all of the information or verbiage that may be in a schedule. Here are some examples of the visual schedules that we kind of know just through OT school, but more so, you can use really cool stickers like this just to kind of remind you of important dates or things that are coming up so that you don't always have to be writing it down.
Are you a prior employer or manager who's ready to return to work? But does the thought of creating employee work schedules sound overwhelming? Try our risk-free employee workout hour scheduling activity. In this activity, you'll practice executive function skills necessary for return to work. And you'll get to practice it with an occupationally relevant and client-centered focus so that you'll be ready to return to work in no time. Here's how it works. We'll give you a list of employees' work availabilities and a blank work shift schedule, as well as the number of hours each employee is hired for work. Your job is to schedule each of the employees and fill all the time slots.
Do you come home from work or school and find yourself sitting on your couch for hours? Would you say that one of your many talents is procrastinating? If so, we have a solution for you. We have an activity called Set the Timer, and what this does is you can write down all of your tasks that you need to get done in an afternoon, and then set your timer for 30 minutes for each of those activities. At the end of all of your activities being done, you can start to wind down or take a break, and that way you can feel accomplished by getting all of your tasks done on time. There's also an app called Forest that can help you stay on task and while utilizing this timer approach, but also making it fun.
Are you looking for a quick and easy way to get organized, but you're tired of spending money on planners that you forget to write in? Try our do-it-yourself daily checklist for free. Our checklist offers sections for things that you do every day, things you do on the weekends, as well as things you do Monday through Friday. You'll get to practice creating habits and routines, as well as work on memory for the activities that you have every day. If you have difficulty remembering what you need to do, you can have someone help you fill out the checklist and then practice using it. And after a while, you'll get used to your schedule and be able to fill it in yourself.